if we have, oh, by the way, do you like my new light? This is the new strip light I'm going to use. It's LED light, so it's low voltage, low power consumption, and also low heat, so it doesn't generate a lot of heat in here. So I'm thinking now of putting my extraction vent up here. And my extraction vent, by the way, looks like this. I decided to go with something like this because there's less elements to create noise when the air is being sucked out. The proof will be in the pudding. So that means if I'm going to put the extraction fan there, then my piping, my ductwork needs to go on the top. Question is, do I have enough space? Okay, so as you can see, I've put my pipe up there, my ducting, but there's not a great deal of room. I can't really put a box around that. So, I mean, fortunately, it is soundproofed ducting. If you have a look, this is what it is. It's 2.5 meter length, and it is soundproof. Now, what I can do is, if we have a look up here, and what I could do is I could snake it across this ceiling a little bit, and then have this come down the outside of the wall into a box, which will be just here. All right, so the decision was made to cut the hole up here. So I'm going to have it going over the top. So we'll see how that goes. So I've already cut the hole. I'll show you that in a minute. Now I'm going to drill a hole in the ceiling, and then I'm going to attach my pipe and play around with that. This is the hole that I pre-cut into the ceiling piece of the plasterboard. Not quite safety goggles, but they'll do. Looks like I'm going to need to take the resilient bars off, but I left my screwdriver head in the garage. Good job. Okay. So that'll come through there, which will be attached to this. I'm now going to go and get my Jubilee clip and tighten that up. Okay, so that is on there now. So when I've got the foam cut and back up there, I can put the panel on and plug the panel into that, the baffle into that, and then we're done. Step, step from the words that left off from your lips. Step, step, may they never get lost in the deep abyss. You can give whatever that you can own. Interestingly enough, when I took that last video and I was showing you the duct up there, I realized that there were 4 fixing holes in that fitting up there, which means that that needs to be fitted to the other side of the roof piece, which means I now have to pull all that out, fix it onto the roof piece, and then Jubilee clip the ducting onto that, and then lift the whole lot up into the roof and fix the roof. 2-man job. Okay, so look, I'm not going to get any awards for brightness on this one. I've just pulled it off, and I'm going to flip the camera around, and you can see what I've just discovered. Okay, so this fitting had this over the top of it, like that. I took that off, and then I could see that this is like that, because I was thinking, well, how am I supposed to get the screws into it? Well, I've now figured out that I need to put it through this hole, like that, and then I need to just screw those into there. This piece will go on the back. This will just fit into that. Hey presto, finally figured it out. You see, not everything comes with instructions, and you have to figure things out.